Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 versus the Oppo F11. And this phone comes with a MediaTek Helio P70 processor with a 4GB RAM, while the Y9 Prime 2019 comes with a high silicon Kirin 710F processor with a 4GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And look again first on the Y9 Prime 2019, and both phones is giving you a full HD IPS LCD display, and Y9 is giving you a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, which you don't see on the Oppo F11. And F11 is much expensive phone than the Y9, and F11 is faster with a faster processor. Y9 is right behind. Everything is closed up in the background, phone dialer, and faster on the Oppo F11, and Y9 is right behind. Launching the settings on both phones, and that was about the same on both phones. Launching the mic lock, and it seems like the F11 is just a tiny bit faster there. My files, and seems like F11 is again just a tiny bit faster there. The calendar, and that is super duper faster on the Y9 Prime 2019, and F11 is right behind. The calculator faster on the Y9, and F11 is right behind. So launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush. And that is faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and F11 is right behind. Next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, and F11 is faster this time, and Y9 is right behind, and F11 is giving you a water droplet notch. Last game application is the Temple Run 2, and you can see much difference with the aspect ratio. And Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is faster, and Oppo F11 is right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and F11 is right behind. So launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome on both phones, show you guys what is the speed in internet browser, and I have launched the internet browser on both phones. Wikipedia.org on both phones, faster on the Huawei Y9, and F11 is right behind. And you can see looking very smooth. I notice some lags on the Y9 all the time. I hope it will fix some update. Next up is the Amazon.com, and that is, I feel, faster on the Y9, and F11 is right behind. And you can see looking very smooth on both phones. I can't zooming in and out. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones comes with a 4GB RAM, and that got refresh on the Y9 Prime 2019. Again refresh, and again refresh on the mic lock application on the Huawei Y9. And so far Oppo F11 is looking incredible with the RAM management, and you can see, and Emotion UI is not very optimized for the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. I hope it will improve the RAM management with some software updates. And last is the internet browser on both phones, and overall I'd say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo F11, and Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is right behind to the Oppo F11. RAM management is excellent on the Oppo F11, and many applications is refreshed on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. I hope the RAM management will improve some software updates in the future. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 versus the Oppo F11. Subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Let me know you want to see some more videos about the Y9, and I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.